take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I want to my empty mind, shit.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Space. My name is Victoria. Sorry for the noise back at my back. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the farm again, and whenever I'm in the farm, it means farm vlog. So we are here in our plantain farm. This is the way to the farm. So I want to take you guys along and show you guys. Today we'll be cutting out the ripe fruits. So we'll be taking them home to sell tomorrow. So guys, let's go. Let me show you guys around how it's being done. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell so notify whenever I upload a new video, and please drop your comments. I'm going to respond to them all. Okay guys, let's go.
Help me on my fears, my level. Faces I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, ooh, baby, heavy on my feet now. Wasted the best of me, all you bring, you don't care. It's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arms and see what it's like. Still wanna try, still believe in good day.
So guys, I forget to mention that the road to the farm is really bad, that the vehicle or buses is difficult for them to get to the farm. I am finally here at my plantain farm. Yes, I saw a lot of weed, a lot of grasses as I walked in. So guys, I just want to take you guys inside to show you what we'll be doing inside here today. So let's go, okay?
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept on doing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm and feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe.
So guys, it seems that we are finding it a bit difficult to get plantains, the real plantain. The ones that are here, they are not yet mature to be cut down. So, but I think I saw one in the front. Yeah, so we are still searching to see if we can find, but if not, we just have to head back home. Okay, so guys, let's get so guys, you can see this one here is not yet mature, as you can see. So I have a lot of this in the farm, like this one as well. So if they're not yet mature, we can't cut them out. So yeah, we are still searching. Okay, so guys, unfortunately it started raining. Rain is dropping, so I have to hide myself in this plantain shade and then umbrella. I'm waiting for the rain to stop, and I'm waiting for my siblings. They're inside the farm looking for some of the one we caught. So yeah, how do you see this? So guys, see what we were able to get. Like this now. Okay. So this is the few we're able to get. Yeah. So guys, this is the second bunch. Okay. And that is it for today. We are heading home. Okay. Well, if it was to be, so guys, that is it for today. If it was to be before, these two bags are very small to contain the plantain, but today there was not enough plantain, so we have to we are heading home now. Yes, Daddy. Sorry, my dad was calling me. Okay, so we are heading home now. Let me answer him, man. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, and watch the end. Okay, I love you guys. Ciao.